Good morning, my beautiful friends, and welcome to this beautiful day. I hope you are all doing fantastic and you've had a great week. I'm having a great week so far. So a little bit before Thanksgiving, it's like a week before Thanksgiving. So I thought we would do a little bit of a holiday DIY. This would make a great hostess gift for Thanksgiving. This can make a great gift for one of your friends. It could just be a lot of fun. So what we're going to do today is we're going to make a DIY reed diffuser with doTERRA essential oils. Let me backtrack a little bit here. If you're new to my channel, thank you for stopping by. If you're returning, thank you for coming back. My name is Melissa. I'm a wellness advocate with doTERRA. I am super excited to bring this to you. I'm going to be putting this particular reed diffuser in my bathroom, but I am going to make one for my husband's aunt and uncle for a hostess gift for Thanksgiving. So I bought these beautiful, this beautiful vase off of Amazon, and it has a small mouth, which is what you want. You want something narrow. I bought this pack of reed diffusers, reeds off of Amazon as well. I believe there's like 100 in the pack, and they are bundled in 5 increments because you need 5 to 6 reeds. And I thought they were just super cute with the wavy detail. I bought some ribbon. I thought I might tie around this to just decorate it up a little bit for the fall. I bought this at Walmart. Coconut oil I bought at Walmart. Isotopic I don't know how you said isotopic, isopropyl alcohol. You want at least 90% alcohol, so I have the 91%, and we're going to be using that as well. A few other items that I have to be using. I have a 1/4 cup measuring cup. My tablespoon is currently being washed, so I have my 1/2 tablespoon, but I'll need 4 of these because I'll need 2 tablespoons of the isotopic alcohol. And then my husband found these really cool, I think they're like flask funnels, but I'm going to use that to just help this. And since we are still in fall, I'm going to be using Harvest Spice essential oil from doTERRA. It has a very beautiful fall aroma. Plus, it'll be really good for helping boost the immune system because it has oils in it that are good for boosting the immune system, which we all need this time of year. You can use any essential oil for this. Some that I might recommend if you wanted to put it in your bedroom would be like Serenity or Lavender. If you wanted it in your entryway, this might be a good one. Around the holidays, you might also like Holiday Joy or Holiday Peace. You also could do a good Citrus Bliss. Citrus Bliss is a really good one. Or any citrus aromas for having an uplifting entryway. You know, some things like that would be good. So let's get started. So I'm first gonna try and, I have scissors for my ribbon. Just maybe I'll do the ribbon last. So put my funnel here, and we're going to start with a 1/4 cup of coconut oil. So I have this cooking coconut oil from, I believe my husband got it at Walmart, or you could use doTERRA fractionated coconut oil. Whatever it is, you want to make sure it's not going to harden. Also, you could use any other carrier oil, such as like almond oil, avocado oil, olive oil. You just need a carrier oil. Oops, making a little bit of a mess. So I made a little bit of a mess, but that's okay. You just clean it up, right? It's not horrible. It's just an oil. And then you need 2 tablespoons of the alcohol. Another alcohol you could use would be like vodka, clear and odorless vodka. Tasteless, odorless. So that's half a teaspoon. A tablespoon. We're at 1 tablespoon. Two tablespoons. I'm not doing the best at this today. And then you want to add your essential oil. So I'm going to add 15 drops to it. So we have my harvest spice. Oh, that's such a beautiful aroma. Okay, you add 15 drops. So 15. Okay. And then you're gonna need to take the rubber bands. If you buy them where they have the little rubber bands, take those off. And put in your reeds. Okay, so this one has 6 in it. So you want about 5 or 6 reeds. This has 6 in the pack. Let's see if I can get 6 in here. There we go. So then this is how it would look when it's all done. And the oil will come up through the reeds and disperse the aroma. Once a week, you're gonna wanna flip the reeds. And then I'd say probably about twice a month you would want to redo the solution inside. So let's try and make it just a little bit more fall decor, because that's always fun. Where's the tape on the ribbon here? So I'm going to mix these 2 colors. Man, I can already smell the harvest spice coming out of that diffuser, and it smells fantastic. Definitely gonna put this one in our bathroom in our guest bath, just to help make that always smell pleasant when you walk in there. I know I would love a bathroom that you walk in and you're like, oh, that smells beautiful. So. And then with this, I'm just tying the ribbon around the top right here. I'm not using like any hot glue or anything. So you could even change out your ribbon from season to season. You're going to want to change out your reeds too over time, especially like if you're wanting to change out the aroma inside. Let's see. So I'm not always the most creative, but I just did a little bow around there with the reeds. So I'll link everything that I bought down below. It's not sponsored. I don't make anything off of this. I just wanted to share with you guys what I did. And this is what I'm gonna do for our hostess gift for Thanksgiving. Anyone who knows me knows I am not a good cook. So there you go. If you're looking for more essential oil education, please reach out to me. I would love to help you. Please consider subscribing to my channel. I do DIYs and I talk about oils here on my channel. I do have a free ebook. If you are looking for that, I will leave it in the links below. So you can check out some essential oil education that way as well. I hope you guys have a great day and God bless.